everybody, and welcome to another edition of Beer of the Week. I'm Garrett with my partner in crime,
Andy.
And today we are gearing up for St. Patrick's Day coming up this week.
Do you know what St. Patrick's Day is about?
I do not.
Well,
drinking?
Well, sure. St. Patrick's Day, or the Feast of St. Patrick, is actually a religious holiday in the fair country of Ireland. That's right. So the day commemorates St. Patrick actually driving all the snakes out of the island of Ireland. But were there actual snakes in Ireland? Well, we don't really know. Probably not. It's maybe more of a metaphor for St. Patrick being an evangelical presence and bringing Catholicism to Ireland.
Great. So today we're going to be drinking a classic style of the Irish, a stout. But I want to point out one thing. Usually on St. Patrick's Day, you'll typically see a lot of folks drinking green beer. Is it actually green? No, it's not. It's not at all green. There's really no beer that's actually naturally produced green. So they add food coloring. For the most part, we're not big fans of adding anything that is outside the actual brewing process to your beer because it might diminish the quality of the beer. So do yourselves a favor. Don't drink green beer. Drink something that is truly an Irish style. Irish beer that comes to mind, Andy, what's one you might think of?
Maybe a stout.
Stout Guinness, of course, one of the most famous stout styles and breweries out there today. So we're going to be honoring that fashion with drinking a stout. However, because we are rolling hops beer tours and we like to expand the mindset of craft beer, we're going to be drinking a triple chocolate, not just a double, not a single.
Hello!
A triple chocolate milk stout from Flying Monkeys Brewery. Flying
Monkeys, great brewery, kind of definitely has quite an enormous presence in the craft beer world here in Southern Ontario. So it comes from the city of Barrie, which is about an hour and a half north of Toronto. But like we said, it really does have a strong presence. You can find Flying Monkeys beer kind of scattered all over the province, maybe even further. There's quite a few styles that are really synonymous with just your general craft beer culture. So they really are a true institution for craft beer here in Ontario.
Punchy IPAs.
Punch you right in the mouth.
Well, let's give it a try, shall we?
Let's do it.
Cheers.
It smells like cake.
That's like chocolate, hey. Chocolate all the way through, nice and warming. It is 10%, so hold on to your socks. It will get to you.
I'm having a sugar overload.
Rich, smooth, great. Goes down well. I don't know if you're going to be drinking these all day for St. Patrick's Day, but maybe at the beginning, let's say at the end of the night, if you're still hanging in there, you can finish off with one of these stouts.
It's like an Irish birthday cake and a kick in the pants, am I right?
Kick in the pants.
Whew.
Well, that's the episode for today. Until next time, cheers. Craft beer
is here.